The G82 M4 behind me belongs to a very good customer of ours called Chris Harris. No, it's not the one you're thinking of. If you follow the channel or watch our socials, he's the guy who had the GP3 we did quite a lot of work to, and now he's back with his brand new M4. The car hasn't even had its running in service yet. It has a full M performance kit and 1000 M wheels, which I really love. As you can see, sitting a bit high, so he wants to fix the stance, and we're going to do that with the MSS Hybrid suspension. We have this on our touring, and I've been really impressed. And a few customers have had it, have been really good feedback on the way the car rides and looks with this kit. We're also fitting a set of spacers to fix the stance, some Motorsport Plus yellow lights to give it that CSL look, beautiful Eventuri intake kit with the turbo inlets. I have to emphasize this, a lot of people just think it's the intake kit, but it actually comes with the turbo inlets, and these make a huge difference to the performance of the car. And to finish off the front end, we have a CSL style carbon front grille. As his car has the ACC, it has that part missing from the right hand side. Now, Aston's going to fit all these parts to the car, and I'm going to join you afterwards to take a look. Now been completed, and I think it looks absolutely perfect. The M performance parts on the car really complemented now with the 1000 M wheels and the MSS Hybrid suspension. provides the stance that it needs and deserves. I've been out for a quick test drive and the MSS Hybrid continues to impress. Done 5,000 miles on it now in the touring, and for me it's the best solution whilst retaining the stock dampers. On the front end we've got the CSL style grille. That's my favorite front end on these cars. I actually like using the OEM CSL grille like we've got on 2 of our cars, but when you have the ACC you can't run that. So this carbon one caters for that, and it's in the same style as the CSL, but it has a gap for the ACC. We've got the Motorsport Plus yellow lights, which are proving to be very popular and add that CSL-esque look to it, and the full Eventuri intake and engine cover. Overall, the car looks great, slightly removed from standard one, but very much OEM Plus, and I think the customer is going to be very happy with it. All the parts that we're fitted to this car are available from our web shop for delivery worldwide, or if you're in the UK, you can come to us for fitting. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?